Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you how to add a link to a spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel, a hyperlink to a website. Okay, let's get started. So first off, there's essentially two ways that I know how to do this. Let's do this on a new page, okay? I can simply just copy and paste the link, and that will do it. So I can go over to, I'll use my Teach Mom How YouTube channel. I can select the entire link and push Command C on a Mac, Control C on a PC. Choose the cell I want to put this in and paste Command V on a Mac, Control V on a PC. Okay, and then I've got my link. Now, once I kind of click off, it will automatically switch it to a hyperlink, which means if I hover over it and click it, it will open that website. Okay?
I can't say to the cop.
So that is one way to do it. Now let's say you want the link to not be this big, long, goofy looking thing. You could type words, Teach Mom How, or click here to open website or whatever you want to put. Okay. And then you can turn this into a link by selecting the whole thing like this and then choosing a link. Okay, so you go to format. I apologize. Where is it at? It's different on here. 1 second. Hyperlink. Search link, hyperlink. Right here. Okay. My apologies. You right click or control click if you're on a Mac on the box you want a hyperlink. Right click, then go down to hyperlink, or Command K is the shortcut. And then it'll pop this up and ask you what address you want to put in. I'm going to paste the link to my YouTube channel and click OK. Now I have a hyperlink that just says Teach Mom How channel instead of the big long goofy link, and I click that and it will open up the channel. Okay.
I can't say to the competition, hey,
I really got to change that video. I don't like it. But anyways, so that is how you create a hyperlink in Excel. Hope that was helpful. If you want to learn more about Excel, watch the rest of the playlist that I've got attached to this video, or leave a comment, ask a question, and I'll make another video just for you. Have a great day. This is Kurt with Teach Mom How.